What's up, everyone? Thank you for tuning back in. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. We really appreciate it, and hopefully you enjoy our content. As you noticed last video, it was very hard to hear us, so we kind of invested in some mics. If you want to see here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that sexy beard. Anywho, back at it. Again, Brandon's with us. We got a special car in today, actually. What car did we get in?
300 ZX.
What year?
I don't know.
All right. So it came in for a full paint job. So we're going to take you step by step through the entire paint process so that you can do this at home as well. Now, I recommend having a paint booth, but you can spray in a garage. Just wet the floors down, so on and so forth. Just take extra precaution. But to get you to the painting process with the bodywork and everything, we'll take you step by step. We have JJ and Danny helping us with this, so you'll also meet them in the video as well. So let's go check the car out. Got a lot going on today. We got Manny Swap Civic right here, still in works. Lots to do on it still. Got a Miata. I think it's timing, not 100%. Got a Diag still. Got a nice Lexus with a little what do you call it? Blow off valve.
Yes.
Oh, that's his car.
It is.
Yeah. Got a little B series here. This is our buddy Shane's car. This thing's a monster. It's in for a little bit of tuning work and just kind of fine tuning some details on it. All right. Here she is, boys. It's very good condition with the body. The gentleman that we're painting it for has helped us a lot, tremendously, with a lot of work. He stripped it down for us so we can just get straight into the body work. But I mean, got a few dents here, a little bit of dents on the door. Coming around here, full dent here, a little bit of rust. Yeah, we gotta get this rust patch fixed here. But overall, I mean, it's a pretty straight body for its age. I don't know if I should tell you guys what color we're doing yet, but it is one of my personal favorite colors, and I don't think I'm going to tell you guys yet. So you've got to wait till we start mixing the paint so that you can see it. Actually, what color do you guys think it's going to be? You should comment below and let me know. But most interior stripped out. We are going to be painting all the door jambs. We're going to be painting the trunk jambs and inside door panels as well. So obviously the doors have to come off of the vehicle. We're going to try to see if we can take the rear glass out. It's really hard to find rear glass for this car. So I'm going to call my window guy and see what he thinks. It might be a little too risky, so we're gonna have to try to tape the best tape job that we could ever do on it. I let the customer know, and he said it's okay, he understands. He was trying to look for glass as well. He said it's pretty hard to find glass. If you guys know anybody, well, I know Preza Mike might have some glass for us. Just gotta hit him up. He'll probably never talk to us, but who knows? You know, I watch him. I love Preza. Anywho, this is he already stripped a lot of it down to bare metal. But yeah, I'm sure that there's a lot more dents not visible to your eye, and you'll notice that as you start to get into a paint job. So we'll show you some special tools that you can use using light, and it's kind of like what are those things that people have when they do like the photo light boxes, like those round things that come up? You know what I'm talking about? They're used to like soften light. Anyways, it's like a round thing with a bunch of lines on it, and you put light behind it, and it puts the lines on the car, and then wherever the line like dips is where there's a dent. So then we can start marking it. So like the first step is literally marking every dent possible that we can find, so that we can get this body as straight as possible. He bought a new bumper. He couldn't find a rear bumper, so the rear bumper looks pretty good condition. So we're just gonna take that one down. So we need to mark all the dents, take all the panels off. So we need to take the hood, the fenders, rear bumper, doors, and get those all laid out so that we can paint each individual panel, and then we can paint the chassis, and then we can put it back together for them. So I'm really excited for these instructional videos coming up in this playlist, and hopefully you guys can learn from it. All right, so to start, what we're all gonna do is walk around the car, and the dents that are visible to the eye, we want to mark those with either like a Sharpie or a paint marker, preferably a darker color since it's a lighter color vehicle. Once you get the bigger dents kind of marked out, as you can see here, like there's dent there, bigger dents on the side. There's like this thing you can buy off of Amazon. It's really cheap. It's like, I think 15 bucks. But it's like the... It's like, you know, like people use it to like dim lights whenever they're taking photos. But this one has lines on it. And so whenever you put it up to the chassis or the body of the car, you can see the lines in the reflection. And anytime that there's like, look right here, you can see like the lines bowed up. So that's a dent right there. So we'll mark that. There's a lot of dents. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and use this, go around the car, mark all the dents, and then that's where we'll take the first step into pretty much making those marks permanent, grinding it down to bare metal so that we know exactly where it's at before we sand this car down. After we were finishing up, while they're wrapping up, kind of figuring out all the dents and everything, that takes a couple hours, so I don't want to bore you with that. I'd rather jump in on the next series to really get down to the bodywork area. I have my buddy's car here. We're running into a little bit of small issues, so we need to get some data logs. So we're going to run out to Mexico really quick, right up the road here, and get some data log going so we can send it over.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!